Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see the mega recruitment from the 6 government colleges. So here the assistant professor as well as the teaching assistant vacancies are there from the total 34 subjects, guys. So really it is a wonderful opportunity, but because 34 subjects vacancies are there and the recruitment is going to happen from the 6 government colleges. So please utilize this wonderful opportunity. And here the qualification is post graduation with or without UGC NET or the PhD. That means the candidates who are having only post graduation candidates, okay, so for these people also here the vacancies are there, and the candidates who are having the PG plus UGC NET or else the PhD, for these candidates also here the opportunities are there. Okay, so please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. Okay, only post graduation and looking for the government job faculty notifications, it will be very much helpful to them. So please share as maximum as possible, guys. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that Unacademy is starting the complete courses for the NTA UGC NET preparation from 1st May 2021 onwards. So here the electronic science candidates, the complete batch is going to start from 12th May 2021 onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys. The links are kept at the description box of this video, and for more details you may watch at the end of this video. And now while coming to the present content of the video, so it is Cluster University of Jammu. So in its official website, if you scroll down, okay, here you will check down the recruitment notifications. That is advertisement notice for academic arrangement for the session 2021 to 22 for all constituent colleges of the Cluster University of Jammu. Okay, so first we will see this one and then we will go to the detailed advertisement notice for the same thing. Okay, so the first one, here you may check down that advertisement notice for academic arrangement for the session 2021 to 22. It is requested that the enclosed advertisement notice of Cluster University of Jammu for all constituent colleges be got published in leading daily newspapers at an earliest. Okay, so here the same notice also you can see here in the detailed advertisement notice also, guys. Okay, just click on this one and then you will be directed to this one. So here the details are given, what are the subjects and what are the different types of vacancies are there and what is the eligibility conditions. Okay, all these things are clearly mentioned here. So we will see one by one. Online applications along with the processing fee of 100 rupees are invited from the eligible candidates for the engagement as assistant professor or librarians or PTAs or teaching assistants on academic arrangement in constituent colleges of the Cluster University of Jammu. So here the colleges are, just check down the college names: Cluster University of Jammu, and next GGM Science College Jammu, and GCW Gandhinagar, and Government SPMR College of Commerce, and next one is Government MEM College Jammu, and next one is Government College of Education. So total 6 different types of colleges are there, and these colleges are recruiting the assistant professor, librarians, PTAs or the teaching assistants. Okay, so we will see the subjects, guys. So engagement of the assistant professor and teaching assistant on academic arrangement. So here the total 34 subjects are there. So most of the subjects are covered here. So biotechnology, botany, business administration, chemistry, commerce, computer application, Dogri, economics, education, electronics, English, environmental science, food science and technology, geography, geology, Hindi, history, home science, library science, music vocal, music instrumental, mathematics, Persian, philosophy, psychology, Punjabi, political science, physical science, physics, Sanskrit, sociology, statistics, Urdu and zoology. So total these are the different subjects, guys. And in these subjects, if you are having only post graduation, you can apply for the teaching assistant. If you are having the PG plus UGC NET, you can apply for the assistant professor. If you are having the PhD, then you can apply for the assistant professor itself. Okay. So regarding the educational qualification that we will check down here. See, guys, assistant professor, the candidates must possess the NET or SLET or PhD with minimum 55% of marks in the post graduation in the concerned subject, and 5% in the post graduation is concession or else the relaxation is there in case of SC, ST and the differently abled candidates. Okay, and coming to the teaching assistant, the candidate must have the post-graduation degree in the concerned subject, having secured a minimum 55% of marks, and here also the relaxation is available to the SC, ST and the differently abled candidates. And coming to the librarians and the physical training instructors, the candidates must have the NET or SLET or PhD with minimum 55% in post-graduation in the concerned subject in Master in Library or else MPED, and 5% relaxation is there for the SC, ST and the PWD candidates. Okay, so total these are the qualifications, guys. So I think it will be the wonderful opportunity to the candidates who belongs to these departments. Okay, so if you are having only post-graduation, okay, then you may apply for the teaching assistant, guys. Okay, so please share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to these departments and looking for the faculty job notifications in the government colleges. It will be the wonderful opportunity. And next one, coming to the important dates. Okay, you may check down. Complete applications in all respects shall be received through online only by logging on the website. Okay, here the two websites are given. So out of both these two websites, in any one of the website you may log in and fill up the online application details. I will show you guys. Okay, you may just observe here the starting and closing dates. 30th May 2021 is the starting date of online application and the closing date is the 13th June 2021. Okay, so just click on this one. For example, I am going to show you. Okay, click on this one and then you will be directed to the SPMR College of Commerce, and in this one you may check down the receiving of online application form academic teacher session in Constituent Colleges of Jammu. So here the portal link is also given here. You may check down. So if you just click on this one and then you will be directed to the online application form, guys. Okay, so it is online application form. Here the closure date is also given here. 13th June 2021 is the closure date, and first you have to register yourself. Okay, so after registering, then you will get the complete regarding the application number as well as date of birth. Okay, all these things will come, and then click on the login. Okay, and if you are filling up the new application form, that means you started to fill up the new one, then you have to click on this one. So fill new application form. So if you click on this one and then you will be directed to the few points or the instructions are given here. So please go through all these instructions. Okay, so domicile, the candidate should keep the following documents ready before filling the application form. So digital copies of photographs or signatures on the documents. Okay, so if required, domicile or state subject of UT of Jammu and Kashmir, UG mark list, PG mark list and experience certificate if any. So PhD certificate, MPhil degree or the PhD degree or else the NET with JRF or NET or SLET or SET certificate, bona fide certificate if required, and the photocopy of the research publications if any. Okay, and the certificate of award or international, national, state level, if any awards are there, you have to put this one. Okay, and then I have read the instructions. Click on this one and then proceed to fill the application form. Okay, and then you will be directed to the filling up of online application form here, guys. So you have to enter all these details. Okay, so it is a way of filling up of online application form, and I will provide all the necessary links in the description box of this video, guys. Okay, you may check down, and here the few more instructions are given. So here the criteria of merit determination for the post of assistant professor will follows like this: graduation, post graduation, MPhil, PhD. Here for PhD 25 marks are there. So NET with JRF 10 marks and only NET 8 marks, SLET or SET 5 marks. If you don't have the NET, then no problem, you may apply for the teaching assistant job, guys. Okay, so these are the clear details, and I will share this all the necessary links in the description box of this video. Okay, so you please check down to get the accurate and the more details. Fine, so please share this video to your friends or colleagues. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UG NET exam, here one announcement follows, so listen, guys. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the national eligibility test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself, I am Ashwini Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on this see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900 and for 3 months 2,823 and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month. And if you want to get the 6 month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of these different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, and this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF and few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay. So based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Fine.